This is a video on taking down the new production Browning A-5 shotgun. It's new production model, 28-inch barrel. First thing, lock your bolt back. Make sure it's clear, empty. Remove any slings. If you use a sling, I duck hunt a lot, so I do use a sling when we're jump shooting. If we're in a blind or hunting out of a boat blind or out of pond boxes, I choose not to. It can be a danger. First thing, remove this from the forend and your magazine. Barrel, forend, all fall together once. Now, be careful removing your barrel. You can easily crack your forend if not careful. Next step, you want to release the bolt, but ride it home easily. Then the pin, pull the pin out, set it aside, slide your bolt forward. That's a typical field strip of the Browning A-5. Now to put it back together, same way you took it apart. Turn over, insert your bolt assembly. Lock your bolt back. Reinstall your forend and your barrel. Excuse me. Magazine tube in and barrel. Reinstall the cap. The new production models, you can hear the clicking. Get it all the way tight. Send the bolt home. Make sure you're on safe. Good to go. Please look forward to video. I'm going to do another video on cleaning and breaking down the trigger assembly and breaking down a little bit further to show you all the oil points. That's it for today.